Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how to install our electronic RV door lock, which also comes with a handy little key fob. This is very simple to do. All you need is a screwdriver or screw gun with a Phillips head bit, and it should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes. It's not very complicated, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we begin, it's important to bring up the cutout dimensions. The opening dimensions for this lock should be about 3 3/4 inch high by 2 3/4 inch wide by 1.5 inch deep. Our cutout was already in line with these dimensions, however, you may need to adjust yours. We'll start by removing the screws from the front and back of the door latch assembly so we can get them apart. We will then slide the front handle of the door lock into the opening on the front of the door, carefully pulling the wires ahead of the lock and through the opening. Once that's done, we will connect the battery wires on the back handle to the front handle that is already on the door. Now carefully align and attach the back handle while tucking excess wires into the space between. Hold the paddle of the back handle closed while inserting the paddle tooth into the front handle housing. Make sure not to pinch or cut the wires during installation. Now you can install the 4 long machine screws, but only tighten them enough to keep the lock securely against the door. Before you fully tighten the screws, adjust and straighten the front handle in the opening. Hold it in place while fully tightening the 4 long machine screws on the back side of the handle. Be careful not to over-tighten them. Now we can attach the new latch mounting plate with the 2 shorter machine screws on the door side. Afterwards, we can remove the 2 screws holding the battery cover on and install the 4 AA batteries. Then we just replace the screw cover and we're all done. Programming your keypad is pretty easy. While holding down the number 8 button, press the lock button at the same time. A long confirmation beep will signify that you've entered the programming mode. Type in the existing factory code, which is 1234, then press the lock button. Type in the new code and press the lock button. Then type in the new code again and press the lock button one more time. A long confirmation beep will sound to confirm your new code. To make sure your new code is working, type in the new code and press the lock or unlock button and see if it works. If you want to reset to the factory settings, push and hold the code reset button on the rear of the unit. It's located just above the FOB Learn button. Programming your fob or remote is also very easy. Press the FOB Learn button located just above the on-off switch on the back of the handle. A short, quick beep will confirm that you entered the programming mode. Press the lock button on your fob until the handle confirms that they're synchronized with a beep. Then press the lock, unlock buttons on your remote to confirm the deadbolt and lock are working. You have to hold the remote buttons down for a few seconds to actually actuate the handle. This is a safety feature to help protect against accidental pushes. And that's all there is to it when it comes to installing our electronic RV door lock. As I said, it's very simple. You don't need to do anything complicated or have to mess around with complicated tools. So just follow the steps and enjoy your new lock. If you like this video and you want to see more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what we have to offer in the future, including more instructions, tips, and tricks, remember to slap the subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.